Well, I'm back over here, and they've got all the sheetrock down, the insulation down. They've cleaned up. They've cleaned up the floor. They've got everything clean. And they threw some disinfectant and they cleaned the kitchen area here. The owner's going to be here tomorrow, and they're going to check and see if they like these cabinets and stuff. This was the inspection wall that they took the sheetrock out, and they cleaned all that, and they sprayed some stuff up there. I can smell something. And it activates with the smoke and the smell, and they just sprayed it up there. It looks really good in here. They've got that already. Some other inspector's going to be here tomorrow to determine if this is going to be okay, if the rest of the sheetrock can stay, whether or not the cabinets are going to stay. The owner's going to just make a decision on that. Let's go down here. It's getting dark, and there's no light in here. They've got temporary power in the garage, and the guys are trying to clean up. I couldn't be here today, but anyways, I can smell what they put on, and they've got this nice and cleaned up now, don't they? They've got everything out of here, and they have another crew that does the framing and the sheetrock and the insulation and the electrical and all that kind of stuff. These guys here, they get it to one point, and then another crew is going to come out here, and I don't know if I'm going to be coming back after that to look and see how they're going to leave it, but this is how they've left it here. They've got it all cleaned up, and it looks really good. And like I say, they fogged it with this, I forget the material they used, and it smells really clean. Let's go upstairs. I'm gonna go upstairs real quick because I don't think I can come back here even tomorrow. I'm working, getting ready to paint a condo, and I've been working over there, so I don't think I can come tomorrow. Plus the owner's gonna be here and stuff, and they'll make the decisions as to what's gonna happen after that. They got this all cleaned up out of here. It smells good, actually. And they decided to leave the bathroom, and they cleaned up the cabinets, they wiped down the floors, and they got this. And like I say, somebody else will make the decision whether or not they feel they have to take those out. They've left these doors in case the owner wants them reused or not. If not, at least they can look at them and see what kind of doors they are, so that they can order like for the doors and frames and stuff. Here's another room, and see, there was a fire. The fire came in from that way. That house next door burned down, and this house got a lot of the smoke, and it burned downstairs. And so on this exterior wall, they cut just the bottom of the sheetrock out, and they pulled the insulation out so that they can inspect in there to take a look at that. And they did that. Well, see, they didn't do that in this room, because I guess they figured this was closer to the front of the house, and the front of the house didn't really get the damage like the back portion of the house. See that room there, and then I'm gonna say, oh no, that was the only room. They took that sheetrock off, and initially they were thinking about ripping up this whole bathroom. They cleaned it up, and they treated it with some sort of fog spray that they spray in here. And anyways, that's not something that you got to worry about. If you ever get a fire, you're going to call somebody like Coit Restoration, or you're going to do some of this stuff on your own. Watch the videos that I've put out for this smoke damage house, and you'll see different things that maybe you can do yourself and save some money before you get somebody in here to treat the actual smell and all that kind of stuff. Talk to whoever you're gonna use. You can call ServPro or Coit or any restoration place that does fire damage and water damage and that kind of stuff. It looks great. Okay, it looks like they're cleaning up for the day. And it's looking mighty nice. They're going to be out here tomorrow.
Some people say they lost.
They're going to be out here tomorrow finishing up.
You didn't want nothing.
And doing a once over. They're also gonna spray and do something else tomorrow. Wow, they actually cleaned this up really nice. They got temporary power just out in the garage area and stuff. And now the boss man's gonna be here tomorrow along with the owner, and then they're gonna decide what to do from here. Well, that's all I got for this time. Ow. Okay, well, I think that's all I have for now. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. I gotta get to work.